drivers behind the line. 2, 1, go!
Kicking off match number 1 here at the Feynman Interleague. We're ready to dive into the deep with a huge autonomous. All 4 robots moving on our field looking to score samples in the various scoring areas. 1 specimen up on the chambers for the Red Alliance, up on that high chamber for 10 points of the Alliance score, with 2 minutes and 9 seconds left in the match total. 6 seconds left of our autonomous mode. Robots coming to park here in the observation zone.
Drivers, pick up your controllers. 3, 2, 1.
And with that bell, we enter now 2 minutes of teleop control. That's the drivers picking up their controllers and moving the robots around, looking for additional samples to score. Neutral samples making their way towards the observation zone, at least on the Blue Alliance side. They're on the left side of the field. 1 yellow neutral sample now being picked up by a Blue Alliance robot. That's 3491 Fix-It. They look to deliver that sample into one of the baskets. Yep, successfully delivered in the high basket for 8 points there at the Blue Alliance corner of the field. Another red specimen making its way towards the chambers. That's courtesy of 19745, the Turtle Walkers. That's good for 10 points up on the high chamber, and they reach into the submersible zone. That mix of game pieces, they successfully scoop out a Red Alliance-specific sample and deliver it over to their human player in the observation zone. Just about 60 seconds left on the clock now, and our live score currently showing 103 to 94. Now, actually separated by 1 point now as the Red Alliance scores yet another game piece. This is a very close match, very exciting for our first match of the day. More samples making their way towards scoring areas. Another neutral sample into the high basket from Fix-It as their Alliance partner looks to try to get one of those specimens onto the high chamber for the Blue Alliance. That one not fully secured, but still valid for score for now as we enter endgame period, the last 30 seconds of our match. Teams are looking to get some final scoring in and potentially going for the ascent, that climb on those metal bars. 3491 Fix-It on the backside of the field. They're reaching the submersible zone, looking for one last game element. 7 seconds left now on the clock. Looking for any climbs. 2 Red Alliance robots in their ascent zone. Will they make it up off the ground? Our referees will carefully forward is our final score from that match, and it goes to it's a tie. A very exciting way to start our first match of the day. 158 across the board. That also means that 1 ranking point goes to each of those teams on all alliances. Excellent work in that match. That's a way to start the morning. We'll move right along to Field 2 and qualification match number 2. Nathan, are you ready to introduce these teams?